Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In this lesson, we'll practice describing objects. Objects can be toys, clothes, or anything special to you. How to describe a thing. When you describe an object, write about what it looks like, how it feels, and why it's important to you. Here's an example of descriptive writing about a thing. Notice the details about color, parts, and how it feels. Follow along as I read the story. Ready? Let us begin. My favorite object is my blue backpack. It has two pockets and a zipper. It feels heavy when it is full. I use it every day for school. Think about an object you really like. Describe it clearly so your reader can picture it. Write about what it looks like and why you like it. Now, write about something you use every day, like a phone, shoes, or a cup. Add details about what it looks like and how you use it. Great job! You did it! You practiced describing objects today. Remember, details make your writing come alive. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 42. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of the lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have come to the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've enjoyed this interactive lesson today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.